Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you one interesting geometrical and algebraical together task. Okay, what is that? You have a curve which is parabola y equals x squared and some circles. Circles tangent parabola, the first circle tangent it only once, or the rest circles tangent it twice times, because it is symmetric, yes? Well, we know it is a 0 point which is 0, of course, its coordinates is 0, 0. The another point a1, a2 and so on up to infinity. And what is the difference between a100 and a0 means this? Okay, sounds very interesting. Let's try to solve it maybe. Of course, let's try this. Anyway, let's assume we have so interesting x and y that let's never forget that y equals x squared because of our parabola. This line, this blue line, square plus x squared, this blue line, equals r squared because of the Pythagorean theorem, right? Hypotenuse squared, both catches squared. Well, let's try to open it. In any way, it has only one solution because if its radius is bigger, it will have two x values, right? If our radius of the circle is bigger than we would like to get here, we will get 2 points with the same radius here, for example, here, right? But we are going to have it only one solution. It means you will get discriminant and say it is equal to 0. If you forgot it is b squared means this quantity squared minus 4 this quantity, which is called c in the quadratic formula. What have we got? We got how to rewrite h through r and r through h. It is very important because next time we will use it. Okay, we got it now. Let's try to make formulas to get h from r and r from h. In any way, it wasn't quite difficult. Quadratic formula, and here it was simply linear formula. Nothing difficult. Well, what are we going to do now? We are going to and what is our plan? Our plan is, for example, we got this a2, a0 high, right? We can get the radius of this circle. Then we will get it added it twice to our high, because diameter is radius 2 times. Okay, then we will get the new high, and we will be able to get. Maybe let's firstly try to do it, and then we will watch looking for simplification sum, so on. Let's continue our thinking process and get the radius of our first circle, which with high equals 0 is 1 over 2. And new radius will be radius from high, the past high of the past circle. It is the same radius, right? Plus 2r because each circle's high, its high is 2 radius, which is diameter, right? If you simplify it, you can see here square, perfect square. It is something squared plus 2 something plus 1 squared, right? 2r plus 1 squared square root will be 2r plus 1. And here you go. New radius is 1 plus the same radius. It means our step is adding 1 in any way. It means we will also add the 1 here, 1 over 2, 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on, up to 100. It also means that our r from 100 is r0 plus 100, which is, right, you got it. And if you will try to use our high formula, you will get 100 squared. And this is the answer. But wait, we can do something bigger in this task. For every r from n, its radius is n plus 1 over 2. And using this quantity to get high, you will also get n square. You can try to do it yourself. I will show it because it's too simply. Height from n is n square. It means from 100 it will be 100 square if it will be 4. From 10 it will be 100 and so on. It is very interesting. Okay, goodbye, subscribe to the channel, set like, type commentary. Goodbye.